Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here, and this video I am making for my lovely CMA students and CMA Institute also. Of late I have been receiving messages from CMA students that they are becoming very restless and they want to know the date, the final date, not the tentative date, the final date when the CMA results are going to be announced for the exams that took place in January. Now we all had expectation that since the exams are taking place online, it won't take institute much of the time to declare the results, but for some reason or the other, institute has taken too much of time this time for declaring the result, or as a matter of fact even the result date. Previously it was anticipated and expected that the results would be in the somewhere first or second week of March, and then now since the first week of March is already over and we are already entering into the second week of March and there is no announcement of the result date, so students are getting panicky and very anxious and restless, and they want to have a final result date. So and more so over, the exams will be held in June. Obviously the exams are going to be held in June, so if the results do not come out timely, then by bad luck, if the student gets plugged, then they will be having very lesser time for preparation for the June exams. That is why we are all very restless and we want the result date, we want the results to be out as soon as possible. Yes, we know that institute might have some checking going on, audit trails going on to find out the unscrupulous activities and to suspend the students who have adopted illegal and unfair means, and it is also done for the welfare of the genuine students who have adopted by full fair means. I understand that, we understand that, but having said that, now I think institute should release the results as soon as possible, or at least come out with a formal announcement about date when the CMA results are going to be out. So with my folded hands, I would like to appeal and request to CMA Institute and the office bearers that whatever they have done so far, it is absolutely only for the welfare of the students. I understand that, I appreciate that, and salute to all the council members for that, but please take this matter into consideration also and kindly come out with a formal announcement regarding the result date, or if at all possible, if the results are ready, announce the results as soon as possible. So this is my humble request to all the council bearers, office bearers of CMA Institute, that please release the results as soon as possible, and if the results are going to take time, please come out with a formal announcement along with the reason of the delay of the results. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Lots of love. And CMA students, do share with the all of the CMA students and the entire CMA fraternity. Thank you. Bye. Do like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because I don't want any one of my CMA students to miss any of the videos. That's the reason. Take care. Bye.